This asana tutorial is on reverse warrior. You'll have wanted to watch mountain pose, warrior 1, and warrior 2 before going into reverse warrior. Starting at the front of your mat, mountain pose, body's engaged. So for reverse warrior, what we're going to do is we're going to go into warrior 2 first and then go into reverse warrior. We will not do warrior 1 with this quick tutorial. So mountain pose, warrior stance, step the right leg back, position the foot, knee is bent. So again, we're going to come into warrior 2. So go ahead and turn the torso, bring the arms out, engage for warrior 2. Reverse warrior, bring the back hand to the back leg, bring the front arm up, lift up, feel a stretch in the side. Engaging the core, chest is open. This is reverse warrior. Come back through into warrior 2. Engage the core, and we're going to simply release, step out, mountain pose. You can go through warrior 1. I'm just not doing it right now. All right. Opposite side, mountain pose, left leg back, come into your warrior stance. Come into warrior 2, so torso comes to the side, arms come out. Reverse warrior. Back hand to back leg, front arm comes up, stretch up, open the chest. Hold for one more breath, inhale and exhale. Come back through warrior 2, controlling at the core. Then simply release, transition, mountain pose, shake it out. A good practice is to go through warrior 1, warrior 2, reverse warrior, then back again through warrior 2, warrior 1, mountain pose. Try that on your own, and when you're ready, go to the next tutorial.